The sun is rising. It's morning time. Jon is going to school. Oh, and so is Kit. Dogh is painting. Hey, what's that? He still hasn't finished the painting. Look at what he painted. Ooh.
Hey, Dogh! Oh, wow!
Do you like it? Look, the magic paintbrush. Ta-da! Oh. Shall we play with the painting? Who can guess what Kit is going to paint? What can you see in the painting? Oh, Dogh wants to guess. This painting is out of order. How funny, Dogh. But you haven't guessed correctly. More magic, please. What's that? The painting's still out of order. Dogh is trying again. Nope, that's still not it. Look. Now that's much easier. Do you know what it is? I think Jon knows what it is. Do you think he got it right? Very good. Jon has got it right. And I think Jon deserves a prize for guessing correctly.
Do you know where Mummy Bird is flying to? To buy a basket of donuts as a snack for her babies, who wait happily inside a boot.